Hey everyone, check out the Peak Design Mobile Wall Mount. A sleek and minimalist phone holder that instantly mounts your device to any flat surface like walls, mirrors, or tiles. Its magnetic mounting technology works perfectly with all MagSafe-enabled phones and accessories for a secure, seamless hold. This mount keeps your phone safe and accessible while clearing countertops in kitchens, bathrooms, or workspaces. Made from 100% recycled, Blue Sign-approved nylon fabric, it's built to resist stains and abrasions for long-lasting use. The 3ME series adhesive ensures a strong grip without damaging surfaces or leaving residue behind. Peak Design is committed to creating innovative, durable gear that helps leave the world better than we found it. Experience the convenience and quality of a thoughtfully designed, eco-friendly phone mount today. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.